Quality Signs and Designs, 775-537-5575.
That was a horrible case in a lot of ways. That was a case that had, emergency room nurses crying. These are people who see the worst things that there are, and they couldn't take it. It was tough for me, and I never met the little girl. And it took a lot of courage, and I've run into a couple of the jurors around town, which is nice because I've been able to thank them. It takes a lot of fortitude for them because, it's one thing for a first responder or me. We signed up for these jobs. These people were minding their own business. They get called into jury service. They have to look at and hear horrible things. The 911 call, was just a traumatic thing to have to listen to. And they served with distinction and courage, and they're doing it during a pandemic. So again, if you were on that jury, I really appreciate, your dedication to your community. So on the flip side, you got people who get the jury summons and they just go like this and they throw it away. Or you might have people who didn't show up and they had a legitimate reason. Now they get to explain to His Honor Judge Lane, what the story was. And if he likes their story, I guess it'd be okay. And if he doesn't like their story, maybe not. They got a summons, which means you have to be there. And like I said, there are going to be people, I'm sure, who had a legitimate reason or something that would suffice to excuse them, and there might be some people who don't have that, and it'll be up to the judge to decide which is which.